Hi there, I'm about to show you how to set up Rclone mounts Google Drive. Let's begin. So what you want to do first is go to your web browser, then you're going to search up Rclone. So then you're going to click on this first link where it says Rclone, rclone.org. And then you can read all of this if you want to about Rclone. Rclone is a command line program to manage files on cloud storage. It is a feature-rich alternative to cloud vendors' web storage interfaces. Over 70 cloud storage products support Rclone, including S3 object stores, business and consumer file storage services, as well as standard transfer protocols. So now if you want to download the application, you are going to go to this tab over here where it says Downloads, and then look for the download which is suited for your specific operating system. So here, Linux, okay, macOS, Windows, FreeBSD, OpenBSD. So release version 1.68.1, okay, Intel AMD 64-bit. So now we have different sections here, Windows, macOS, Linux, RPM, FreeBSD, NetBSD, OpenBSD, and so on. So since I'm using a Windows, I'm going to select this one, Intel/AMD 64-bit. So under Windows there. Then I'm going to click on Start Download. So now I'm going to click on Open. So there it is, Rclone. And then I'm going to open the application. Now it says this is a command line tool. You need to open cmd.exe and run it from there. So then after you've opened up command line, if you go back to the folder, you're going to see that Rclone git log and then rclone.1 is here. So then you can just open up the README file and then you can read all of this, download the latest version of Rclone, okay, unzip the download and CD to the extracted folder. Move Rclone to your $ path. You will be prompted for your password. Okay, then remove the leftover files. Then run rclone config to set up. See rclone config docs for more details. So then rclone config, precompile binary using a web browser, and so on. And there you go. So then you can just continue from here on. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.